tell you there's a couple of reasons that's really important, especially for the Army. Is number one, it gives me a low cost of entry, and we rely so much on our own people to do development, and because no one else knows the business like they do. And so they know how to solve the problems, and giving them open source tools that they don't have to spend an enormous amount of money on to procure is a great way for us to have our own people solving our own problems. And open source gives us that access to the technology we need. Literally over the last couple of decades, I've been at the forefront in the Army of really implementing open source solutions into our command and control and our communication systems that are tactical, the ones out on the battlefield. So oftentimes our IT infrastructure is more proprietary solutions, but on the battlefield we tend to go with more open source because we need the innovation and we need to solve our own problems. I think the biggest challenge that we face, and so I think, is the fact that people are not as aware of it as they are the desktop models, computing models that they are used to using in their homes. And I think one of the things I think is very vital for government to do is to get their hands on the open source, to get it into use in practical applications, and to also, I think, for us to encourage our children and schools to get into open source where they can modernize and stay connected, because it's a skill building area, and it takes a while to build the skills in IT that you need. And you want to watch the evolution and see the direction that the technologies are headed and learn from that and ride that wave into the future.